This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Teresa Ashbury. Custom-built farmhouse nestled on protected Machem's Creek. Water views from every window. Custom kitchen, with a Frigidaire Professional grade refrigerator, custom cabinets with deep granite countertops, induction cooking, double wall oven, microwave drawer, and a 10-foot butcher block island with seating for 6. With an open floor plan to the living and dining room, this home is perfect for entertaining on the river. Vaulted ceiling, first floor primary bedroom with fireplace, walk-in closet, and bath complete with a pocket door, double vanity, and standalone soaking tub. There is plenty of room in the laundry/utility room for folding, cleaning supplies and pantry items, as well as the convenience of a deep utility sink. The separate second full bath downstairs is perfect for guests and offers a full shower. Gorgeous hardwood floors throughout the first floor and all bathrooms. The side entrance offers a beautiful brick walkway. Upstairs offers 2 additional bedrooms and a large office. Additional hookup for stackable washer and dryer. The front porch offers 500 square feet of space with a metal roof overlooking the creek. Pull your boat up to the 70 feet new pier with deep water. For more information, review the details below.